Yeah, hi guys. Holy Lessons coming at you again. Once again, it's a beautiful week and with an amazing song. So, song for today is "Something Must Break" by Kierra Sheard, featuring the amazing Tasha Cobbs. So, I'll get into it right away, and I'm so excited about this song because amazingly, this song is just four chords, okay, or four progressions, and I think we ain't gonna keep long here. So I'll get into it right away. I'll play the intro of the song, and then I'll break it down, and then we'll take it on from there. Okay. So first of all, song is in the key of A flat. Okay. So as usual, first of all, we have to know our major scale in the key of A flat. So in the key of A flat, we have our one, our two, our three, our four, our 5, our 6, our 7, and then back to our 1. Okay, so I'm gonna go over this again. So we have our 1, our 1, our 2, our 3, our 4, our 5, our 6, our 7, and then our 1. Okay, so quickly, I'm gonna run through the intro and then I'll break it down from there. Okay, so it starts off on the 4. So basically that's the whole intro, and I so much love this intro. I don't know, there is something about the chords. So quickly, it's just a 4. It starts off on the 4, and then goes to a 5, and the 6, and then a 3. And ladies and